Hello.
It's a random impromptu stream on a Friday, y'all. We're here. We're going to beta test some Bit Project stuff. Daniel, what are we doing today? What's happening?
Yeah, so I can kind of tell you a little bit about the backstory behind this. So, Bit Project does free coding boot camps for students all around the world for free, and it's all open source. And it's been awesome the past couple of iterations. I know you've been there for a couple of them, and you've enjoyed it. But we realized that when we were trying to scale our efforts, a lot of the menial tasks that our instructors were doing, like checking people's like solutions and making sure they're all on the right track, could be automated. So me and Emily were like, hey, what if we tried to like build some tooling around this so we can automate a lot of the steps since like GitHub Actions was a thing. So we built this amazing bot called Counselor Bot.
Yeah, nice name, right?
Yeah, that walks students through like programming assignments and kind of gives them pointers and guidance along the way, just like a counselor would.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. So you basically just automated Emily out of a job. Is that what I'm hearing? No.
It's more like Emily became the DevOps engineer, you know?
Okay. She just automated parts of her job.
Yeah, parts of it. But the not so fun parts of like looking at code.
Yes.
Looking at these students' code, yep.
And if you have not checked out the awesome stream that we did with the Bit Project students of the recent cohort, go watch that. Go check it out. These students are so talented and amazing and incredible. Gosh, I'm thinking of all the awesome projects, including yours from when you were a student, Emily, which is now being basically repurposed into curriculum. We stand on the shoulders of giant Emily's. It's great. So should we dive into this? How do I play with this, y'all?
So the first thing you're going to do is just click the big green button, which is install.
Oh, wait, should we tweet? We should tweet, right?
Yeah,
Daniel, you tweeted.
Oh,
Daniel, did you tweet already?
I tweeted already.
Okay, good. I will go and retweet it, and then I will hit this giant green button. So you're going to be using this in the next cohort, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So no more GitHub Learning Labs.
Oh my gosh. Huge moment. Let's see. Finding Daniel's tweet, and I'm going to tweet it. I
guess I'll do that as well. Did he
Everyone go follow Emily. She is one of the smartest, most gifted developers I know. And she is tiny. Well, I don't know how tall you are, but...
Tiny. I'm 5'6". Is that tiny?
No, Chloe's tiny.
I'm 5'2". Let's see. I'm live now. What is your handle, Emily? Do you have a Twitter handle?
Yep, it's EMSESC.
There you are. Beta testing some Bit Project stuff. Come say hi. Okay, there we go. It's important to tweet it out so people know to come. Okay, twitch.tv/Chloe. You're all getting a look behind the scenes of how I tweet. I got to tag everyone in the photo. So for folks who have not heard of Bit Project before, what kind of different technologies do y'all teach? Because I know I've only participated in the Azure Functions one and the serverless one, but y'all do some other ones as well. Is that correct?
Yeah, we just launched a new Slack camp. So we had our first iteration of the Slack bots camp, which is pretty cool. Like you're building apps and bots for Slack and automating stuff.
I love Slack bots. What were some of the fun ones that people built? I'm obsessed with Slack bots, even though I don't use Slack at work anymore.
I think one of them was a to-do list bot where it just helped you plan out your day and then you could organize your tasks into lists. It's pretty cool.
Nice. I've been seeing a lot of stand-up bots used in Slack, or used a bunch of stand-up bots that would be like, hey, what's everybody doing today? And then it would like automate the process of that. There's so many cool, awesome things that you can build with Slack bots and Microsoft Teams.
But we're
let's.
working on some really exciting stuff too. Like we're building a whole camp around data science, which is going to be really exciting. And also because I work at New Relic, Bit Project and New Relic are embarking on a partnership to create DevOps workshops that are super fun and entertaining, and will be hosted at a university near you sometime this year.
We love to see it. Okay, I tweeted. Now we can do it. Now we can do it. Now people will start coming. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna click install. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Daniel PM says this. Oh, there. Here, let me see. Hi, Daniel PM 307. There is a place that I'm not blocked. LOL. I don't know what that means, but okay. Where are you blocked? Did I block you? If so, why are you here? No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so now I've got this, and it says install.
Yep. So you can just install on your own account, which I think is the first one.
The first one. Okay. All and future repositories?
Yep, all of repositories.
What will this do, though? What will it do to all my repos, Emily?
It's not going to do anything to your repos because it only it's only going to start doing stuff if you have certain files in your repository. And we have a special folder called .bit. So,
I'm going to log into my GitHub. Nobody steal my identity. Let's see.
That would be fun.
Here we go. We're logging in. Okay. Ooh, look at this. Beautiful. Here we go. I recognize this person. Wow. It's taken me to this website, and it says, die in the distance. Okay, cool. Did I do that right?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, now what?
Now go to Bit Project Intro to Serverless. So that's going to be our course we're starting. And all you have to do is click use this template.
Okay.
Another big green button. And feel free to...
I'm just looking at this. Okay, gotcha. Use this template. Cool.
Feel free to name it whatever you want. You could name it like Serverless, Chloe. Yeah, perfect. Chloe rules.
Delicious.
And I'll create it with a template. Oh my gosh, it's happening. Yeah. Seamless so far.
All right, now let's hope the bot is going to start commenting, creating an issue. There we go. We got an issue created.
It worked.
Oh my gosh.
So excited.
Okay.
So getting started.
Wow. Okay. Week 1, step 1, learning GitHub. Oh no, we have to learn GitHub. No, I'm just kidding. This actually, I might share this with a friend I was helping with GitHub this morning, actually. Okay. So we've got some curriculum here.
Yeah.
This week, you'll be going through steps. If you're already familiar with, feel free to skip and move on. I do work for the company that owns GitHub, so we'll probably skip this, but this is really cool, y'all. So you basically are using, what are you using for this? Probot or?
Probot.
Nice. Okay, let's see. I'm going to gloss through this. What is GitHub? Check out GitHub Flow. Help, I don't know. Amazing. Linking to this GitHub Learning Lab course.
Yeah.
Love to see it. But don't work on your code in the web editor. Yes, I agree.
That was a pointed response at me, I feel like, Emily.
It's okay. I do it too.
What should I do instead? Install GitHub Desktop. Y'all, I just started I know. I just started using GitHub Desktop. What a game changer. Like, truly.
Amazing. And they just did a whole update too, and it looks great. Like, there's dark mode now.
It's beautiful. I had been struggling my whole life. I'm a very visual person, so now that I'm using GitHub Desktop, what a game changer. Okay, cool. Task number 1. Create a new branch named test and add a sentence introducing yourself to the end of the README file. Okay. And commit the change to test. Then make a pull request to your main branch and merge the edits. Okay. So name the pull request, adding self-introduction and description. Place a sentence describing what the pull request contributes to the main branch. Key functions you should be familiar with. Okay. And this will all just automatically do it when I do the thing.
Yeah, so if you do it correctly, if you correctly merge the pull request with the README file edited, you will the bot will go ahead and comment something new for you.
Y'all, this is kind of magic. Okay. I'm obsessed. Okay, so I need to. Sorry, I got so distracted by how pretty this was. So we're going to create a new branch named test. Do I want to do this in my terminal or do I want to do this within the repo itself?
You can do this in the repo itself, just
Okay.
like in the web GitHub web app.
Okay.
Or do it in the terminal, whatever floats your tea house.
Yeah.
What guide me through it? Tell me how you want me to beta test it.
Wait, actually, let's just do it through the terminal like we want the students to do it. Like Chloe is a student in this case, right?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Should I do it through GitHub Desktop?
Ooh, yeah. That'd be
Yeah,
good.
there we go. There we go.
Let me open it up. Da, 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 da. Okay. I'm opening up GitHub Desktop. Ooh, we have a fan here that says, I love GitHub Desktop. Wait, how do I turn it into dark mode? We can do that on
they had
this.
a new update. It was a new update, and they released dark mode, and I was really excited. Looks great.
Let me find Chloe rules. Hold on. Hold on. I might need to restart this. Do you guys ever like just have a million tabs open and you're like, this is my life? Like, this is where my life is at right now. Okay, current repository. Let me find the one that I want.
Oh yeah, if the GitHub isn't dark mode, you might just need to change your system settings to make your system dark mode. At least that's what it's like for Windows.
Sorry, I'm restarting GitHub Desktop. Okay. To be honest, I'm a little bit new with GitHub Desktop. So where do I would just access my repository from here? No.
I think the quickest way is if you go back to your repository on the browser. Yeah, and then go back to your code.
Go back to
the code.
Like the code button, top left.
Yep,
oh, here. Gosh, I was like, I didn't code anything
click
today.
On the green button.
The big green button.
And then you can click with open with GitHub.
Ah, yes. Oh my gosh, I love this. Okay, and then I just click clone.
Yep.
This is witchcraft. I love GitHub Desktop. I learn a new thing about GitHub Desktop every way. Oh, someone says, I don't like GitHub Desktop. Terminal is better. I can see that. I've used Terminal a majority of my life, which is why I'm so clunky with GitHub Desktop. But when I need to know like exactly where I am in the file structure, I love to have the visual of it. So, but that's just me. Okay, so we are in Chloe rules.
Honestly, I can't keep track of all the file names if I have a lot of files that I'm editing. So,
absolutely.
All right, you can click back to issues for
issues.
Reference. Yep.
There we go. Okay, getting started here. Here's our issue. Okay, so we need to there we go. Make a new branch called test. Add a sentence introducing yourself to the end of the README file and commit the change to test. Then make a pull request to your main branch and merge the edits. Okay, I think this is great practice. And PJ, if you're watching, I'm going to make you go through this course because one of the biggest hurdles that I found for folks who are getting started with programming, especially if they're self-taught, is learning like how to GitHub. So like, I appreciate that y'all have put this course together. All right. Okay. I already forgot what I needed to do. I just took my Adderall, y'all. It's kicking in. It's like it'll kick in like 5 minutes, and I'll be like, blah. Okay. So we're gonna make a new branch and add a sentence introducing ourselves. How do we make a new branch in Desktop? I have not made a new branch.
There you go. Yeah, and then you can just click new branch.
New branch. Who dis? What should we call it? Test.
Yep. Test.
Yeah.
And beautiful. All right. So we made that. Current branch test hasn't been published to remote yet. Okay, cool. What did we need to do with test? Add a sentence introducing yourself to the end of the README file. Okay, so I need to open this in VS Code.
And you can literally just click on open VS Code. So.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Shout out to Sarah Guthels, who taught me all of the fun GitHub Desktop things recently. All right, there we go. All right, Chloe rules. We got the README here. All right, and I just need to write a sentence about myself, right?
Mhm.
I'm just gonna say, yo, what's up, Daniel and Emily rule. Okay.
I like that sentence.
Should I
Yeah,
take?
me
Do you guys mind if I take a quick feedback survey? No, I'm just kidding. It always comes when I'm streaming. Okay, so I'm going to save this, and then I just want to. What did it say? I want to make pull requests to your main branch and merge the edits. Okay, so I just want to merge this, right?
No, we have to commit it first. So,
I
Yeah,
have to
commit
commit
to the
it.
branch.
so you
Okay.
just have to add a commit message.
I'm gonna say we updated the README. We rule. Okay. Commit to. Ooh, what am I getting here? Am I getting?
Oh, it's this weird thing that comes up. I have no idea what that is.
Oh, weird. Okay, I'm gonna commit it. Oh, that's just a change, I guess. That's a change that we added.
Okay.
Okay. Commit to test.
And then we
And
need
then
a publish
publish
branch.
There.
Okay. Oh my gosh, this is happening. Da, 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 da. And in theory, this will.
No. And then if you click create pull request,
Yeah, you can
direct-
just, yeah,
that.
there you go. Yeah, like there. Yep.
Wait. Where? Sorry.
the blue button in the GitHub desktop.
Oh, here.
Yeah. Everything
Wow,
is in one place
That's
for you.
amazing.
Wait, what?
Everything
They
is
just
one.
opened a pull request for you.
Oh. Wait, so I thought we just. Wait, I got lost. Hold on. We created the pull request and. Oh, and then it opened it up for us in GitHub.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is all witchcraft to me. I'm like, how does it know?
It knows
Okay.
what you need.
So this created our pull request called test, and we're just going to create it by clicking
No,
that.
no. We have to
All
leave it.
the instructions.
We have to
So
read the
yeah.
instructions on here.
No,
no,
not
there. Yeah. there you go.
Okay. Let's see. Place a sentence describing. So this is the description that
Uh-huh.
we're putting in here.
Yeah, so we name the pull request adding self introduction and then
Okay, name it this. Gotcha. Okay, so not test.
No.
not test.
Okay. There we go. And then the direction. I'm bad at reading directions, y'all. Like, I think about sometimes when I was first starting programming, getting lost. I'm like, I probably was just copying and pasting with abandon and not even looking at what I was doing. Okay. In the description, place a sentence describing what the pull request contributes to the main branch. I am contributing that we rule. Okay.
Awesome.
And then create the click the giant. green
It's always
button.
the giant green button.
Giant green button. There we go. I am contributing that we rule. This branch has
then-
no conflicts with the base branch.
And
Okay.
let's merge that shiz.
Let's
Yeah.
merge it. You know, shiz is a word often used in the musical Wicked, Daniel. I don't know if you knew this.
I
Okay.
love Wicked. Kristen Chenoweth is a hero of mine.
We love. Do I click confirm merge?
Yep. Go ahead and merge it. Now we're gonna witness magic. So go back to your issue.
And then click the getting started. And if you scroll down, step 2.
Whoa. Okay. So here's the thing. If you actually follow the instructions, it works.
Mhm.
I was trying to fly through this. We have some comments here. Sorry, y'all. I was like so deeply enthralled in this. I found that although some minor details of the workflow may change, the basic process for working for version control tends to be similar across teams. Yeah, agreed. Although I do feel like I physically get into a rhythm, like especially with like keyboard shortcuts and stuff with the terminal, that like I love GitHub Desktop, but it's been like an emotional and mental adjustment for me because I feel like I don't know if I've told you guys this on the stream or Daniel and Emily, but I have dyscalculia, which is dyslexia with numbers. Not that there's any numbers in this code at all, but because of that, I'm a very visual person. So while GitHub Desktop has been like my saving grace these last 2 weeks, I'm also like, what do I click? Like, what do I do? So y'all are learning with me. Okay, so we've got a new step. Week 1, step 2. getting started, downloading an IDE. Okay. You'll be going through steps to set up tools needed to be successful in this camp. If you're already familiar with some, feel free to skip. Okay. I've got Visual Studio Code. By the way, have you all seen VS Code Pets? Sorry, we have to derail for a sec. Emily, this is very important and something you should consider adding to this.
I need to add it. I heard the word pets and I need
Let me find this. VS Code Pets.
Oh no, it will change your life. It is, oh my gosh. So cool.
There's a VS Code Pets extension. One of them, oh my gosh, wait, does Emily know who Clippy is?
Yes, we had a conversation about this.
Good. So Andrew Shaw has been building this amazing thing called VS Code Pets. I should know where this is. Okay, we're gonna find it. It'll be worth it. Now we're just creeping his well, he got vaccinated. Cool. Okay, hold on. Clippy VS Code Pets. There we go. Okay, so there is an animated VS Code Pets that you can add as well as, I can't talk right now. Again, the Adderall's kicking in, I should say. Bleh, y'all. Also, this wonderful human has been designing a bunch of little cute characters for it. And VS Code Pets is like, I need to put it, I mean, here's Clippy right here. But it's a fun little friend that you can add in. But enough about VS Code Pets. Here's one. Hold on. Look at these pets, Emily.
That is, okay, I'm getting one.
There's a little ducky. There's a little, they're kind of like Tamagotchis. To be honest, I haven't played with it yet, so I don't know entirely what it does. I think maybe it just like hangs out with you. But I see a cat, another cat, another cat, another cat, Clippy on a skateboard, and a rubber duck with a radio. So, yeah, I live messing around. PJ, why am I calling you by your username? Anyway, okay, back to the important stuff. Wait, here we go. Okay.
Code Pets.
What is an IDE and why do we need it? Before we start coding, we need an IDE. Okay, this is PJ. Call me by my name. PJ, you should walk through this course because actually PJ and I were just this morning hanging out with Lorena trying to figure out some virtual machine GitHub stuff. And if you're not familiar with the terminal, y'all, this can, oh, you got the problem figured out. That's amazing. Okay. To install VS Code, I already have that, so I'm good there. Do these things. Real quick, y'all, can people like click through this right now and play with it? Like anybody tuning in, drop a link in the private chat and I'll put it in the main chat.
So you got to install the bot first to all your repositories.
Oh, you've already sent these links to me.
Yep. Here. So the first one is the link to the bot. You got to install it on all your repositories. And then after you do that, go to the second link and then click on create template and you can name it whatever you want. And then the issues should open up and just follow this stuff in the issues and you should be good to go.
There you go. So do the first link first, y'all, then the second link. All right. Okay. How do I get VS Code? We already have that. Make sure to use Dark Theme unless you want to live on the edge. You guys.
I don't know if that's biased, Emily. Like, I don't know if this is factual.
Actually, that was there. Either Bo or Natalie put it there because then I chose to keep it.
Keep it. I love it. I feel like we need a wink face emoji here. But I love it. I'm all for dark mode. Also, I recently saw someone tweet out, I think it was Steve Sinofsky was saying that his oven now has dark mode. So dark mode is everywhere now, like truly taking over the world. Okay, I need to open up VS Code, I would assume.
Yep.
Let's see. I will open that up over here. Let's see. I think I must make a username. Name it Learn Daniel. PJ's gone through this before.
When PJ went through it, it was some hot garbage.
Yeah, it was.
It's a new one. It's a new
this
is a whole new thing that Emily, you basically built this from scratch, right? Or not from scratch, but like you're using Probot. You basically took GitHub Learning Labs and you made your own Bit project version. Is that right?
Basically.
Yeah, I think the most impressive part isn't the Probot actually. It's the GitHub actions that power the checking of like the curriculum. So if we can try committing some bad code that returns something that's wrong, and like you can see like how the student sees it. Like I'll show you. Like it's gonna be
Alright,
pretty cool.
let me open Visual Studio. Also, you know what I think the most impressive part of this is, y'all? Emily, here, I'm gonna make her the big boy. Emily is a high school student. Like, can we talk about that for a second? She's the smartest person who is in the
Existing.
yeah.
Thank you. I'm flattered.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so here. Oh, we already had VS Code open for this.
Yeah. But make sure you're on the right branch because this is in branch called week 1. If you read the instructions.
Yeah, you have to create a new
Oh.
branch called week 1.
Well, of course I didn't read the instructions.
We'll guide you through it. We'll be your instruction.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Okay, so code and export. So I need to open this one up into VS Code.
Yeah.
I
no,
can just
no,
do
no.
it
Yeah,
No,
so
no,
go
you
ahead and
wanna
create a new branch. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
right.
create a new branch. Oh, sorry. Emily,
Wait, no,
no, you drive. You're the creator.
Okay, I'm gonna let you drive. I'm on the branch test, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I need to make a new branch?
Mhm.
Who dis? New branch, who dis?
Make
Okay.
a new branch from main
From main. Okay.
Yeah.
So I need to go back to main.
because test was already merged. Well, I mean, technically, either way, you would get the same thing. But yeah,
Alright.
go ahead and make a new branch.
Okay. And I already forgot how to make a new branch in desktop.
Click on the button, the button that says main. Yep.
This one.
Yep.
Oh,
And
new
then-
branch right here. Doi. Okay. New branch, who does? And let's read the instructions.
Week
Okay.
1.
Week 1. New branch called week 1. Like me, I'm very weak. Week 1. It's so funny because I
Very
always feel like I get lost in GitHub desktop and it's like, what button do I do to create a branch? The new branch one? Ah, yes. Okay. There we go.
You can go
Okay.
ahead and publish it if you want.
Publish a branch.
Yep. And then we're gonna add some files to it. Well,
Okay.
actually, only one file.
I need to read the directions. Hold on. Commit the file to the root directory. Okay, hold on. Wait, rewind. Did I get okay? No, we're here. We're here, right?
No.
we're
We need to
here.
first. We're here. So I'll just walk you through it.
Okay. Hello.
So you need to open this in VS Code. So we need to click that open in VS Code handy dandy button in GitHub Desktop.
Open in VS Code. There we go. All right. All right. All right. And then then what does it say?
We need to create a new file called helloworld.js, like in the root.
Okay. Hello. That's the show I was on this morning. Hello world.js. Cool. And then let me read the instructions. Okay. Commit the file. Okay. Let's say you have a function name is hello. To export it, add the line of code at the very bottom of your file. Outside of your function. Okay. We want to put this code into we're just putting this into the file.
Mhm.
Okay. Click over here. All right. Function hello, your code. Module.export equals hello. Okay. And it says export it, add this line of code. Okay, yes. Why do I need to export it?
If you scroll up, we need to put something under your code because we want it to return the string hello world.
Yep.
Do you see that in the instructions? Like no,
This?
task 2. No, up, like no, above that. And under task 2. Yeah, that one. Yeah, no, the one right above that. You see
This, dark theme.
No. Right below that, like the task.
Oh. No, I don't see that. What are you
No.
talking about?
Okay, good. I'll say stop. You just keep scrolling. It's right under the dark theme one.
This.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Code and export a JavaScript function named hello that returns hello world in a file named helloworld.js. Commit the file to the root directory. Okay. So we need to make the function.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's called hello. We made it for you. You just have to
Oh, okay. So we need to create a function that named hello that returns hello world in a file named hello world.js. Commit the file to. Okay, now that y'all, I'm not good at reading directions today. Okay, let me get my life together. All right. So your code. We put the code where it says your code. That makes sense. So I already forgot what it needs to do. It just needs to return. This is JavaScript. Okay.
Yep.
Hello world, just like straight up. Yep.
Hello.
Oh, but make sure it's a
Capital.
Yeah.
Because
the GitHub checks is gonna check if it.
Wait, actually, let's make it wrong just so.
Yeah, make it wrong.
Hello.
How about sup world?
Daniel. Or like cat circle. Yep. Sup world. Perfect.
Okay. There
and
we
then
go.
save it and commit that bad boy.
Okay, I see. Okay, here's a little bit of feedback. I think my eye went to this thinking that this was a summary of the section. But I don't think that's feedback as much as me being very bad at reading things.
No, that's actually great because we wanted this to be accessible with students with like learning, like different styles of learning. So like we're definitely gonna like we can make the font size bigger. We can like do the
I'll make that a note because I was gonna change it, like make it header 2 or something.
That's what I was thinking. A header maybe, because
Yeah.
I know for me when I'm looking through stuff, I'm like, oh, I'll skip this, and then I'll go to the tasks. Okay, but for anybody else who actually reads stuff, normal people should be fine. Okay, why do we export the function for this camp? You need to export it in order for us to test it. When you commit the file, we'll try running the function by importing it like so. Okay, let hello world require let output. Okay, how does this apply to code in the real world? Gotcha. Can I have more detailed steps? We love this. Okay, create a new file, name it.
Wait, Emily, why did that move on already?
What?
It moved on already. If you scroll down, that's there. But we will fix that. But let's first
4 minutes. What did I do 4 minutes? Oh, you know what? Is it being triggered off of us pulling it maybe or making a new branch?
No, because it needs to check if it's correct. But let's just try it and see if it works.
Okay, so I should commit it.
Yeah, commit it and then make a commit
I will look into that right now because that has not happened before.
Okay.
So weird.
So
this is why we do these things. Don't worry, Emily.
Yeah.
Testing. Wrong answer. Yeah, this is why we test things. Literally today, y'all, I was on the Hello World stream and we do a rehearsal. And then I click push origin, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So when we do Hello World, we do, let's see, desktop is unable to push commits to this branch because there are commits on the remote that are not present on your local branch. Okay, maybe this has to do with the thing being triggered.
Yeah, I think, yeah. Emily, what should we do? Should we just
pull the commits from the remote?
Okay, should I click out of this?
Yeah.
Okay. So we probably want to, interesting. Oh no, wait. I didn't want to
Oh yeah, click on fetch.
Fetch.
Yeah, click
in
GitHub
GitHub
push
desktop.
origin again.
Push origin.
And then click on fetch.
Fetch. Okay,
Yep,
pull two commits. Pull origin.
Who was committing?
Oh, it was the GitHub bot, bro. It moved on. So we need.
Let's check it out. Let's look.
Oh shoot, boys.
No, it's y'all. This is why we test it. So this is 6 minutes ago. Okay. What would have triggered this? I wonder.
Yeah, because it only triggers on move forward by workflows, and the bot ignores workflows named update progress. So that's
let's look at the logs. Because do you want to share your log screen, Emily? Because I know that like you probably have it pulled up, right? Or is it just me?
Oh,
we have.
I have it pulled up, but it's not loaded. Let me load it.
Dark mode for daylight coming soon. Trademark. Yeah, please. I actually, a coworker of mine, Jasmine, shout out to Jasmine, was saying that she switched from dark mode, I want to say dark mode to light mode recently. And it kind of helped her, like, I want to say it like helped her be in a better mood, like kind of in the same way that people use those therapy lights to like boost your mood in places like Seattle and New York. So if you're looking for a pick-me-up, maybe switch out of dark mode. It'll make you happier. I hope you're happy now that you're pushing it. Me too. That was a wicked reference for you, Daniel.
Wait, Emily, so what can we do? Like, should we just like move on to the next step while we debunk
Should I
it?
start? I can start a new one from the beginning. Do we want to
Oh
see
no, that's okay. Did you commit it? I think we committed it, right?
I
Yeah.
believe,
Oh, no,
or
we
did
need
we
to
just
push over
pull?
Yeah, I think we might have to push
Should
it.
I undo this commit?
Oh no, don't undo it. You can just push.
We want to
the
push the
commit.
one that we're on right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so push origin.
Well, this is exciting.
Okay, I think.
Should we create the pull request, Emily?
Huh?
Should we create the pull request, Emily?
For like the nice feature thing.
Yeah.
Well, this one doesn't really matter because we're just committing a cat picture.
Okay. Yeah, let's just move on to the next step while we debug what happened here.
That's fine. Oh, what I was saying was when we do Hello World every day, we do a quick like dress rehearsal right before, and then we do the show. But like in the dress rehearsal, we're like tripping over our feet and our slides aren't working. But like that's why we do the rehearsal. And that's why we're doing the rehearsal on this, because when we give this to our beautiful, wonderful students, it'll be seamless. That's why it's a beta test, because I'm beta testing it. Okay, so do I need to do anything though? Because I didn't did I do the tasks? I didn't make the function, did I? Oh no, I did.
And you committed it, so we can.
But
look
it's
at
the wrong
after
code
that.
though.
Oh yeah, we
So
did
should
do the
I
wrong code.
Fix it and then recommit it.
We should see.
Wait, this is public, right? I can just go in and see what's up.
Yeah, we can see what. Oh, did you merge it?
Good question. Let's see.
Oh, actually, we're not gonna be able to check it because yeah. So we should just move on to step 3.
Okay.
We'll
Just
pick step 2 later.
everyone ignore what just happened. It's working perfectly. Okay, so I don't need to edit. Should I just edit it to Hello World so it says Hello World in here? Does that matter?
No
Oh
need
no, it
to.
doesn't matter. You can just leave that.
Cool.
Yeah.
Sup world. Okay. Postman APIs and requests. What is Postman? Why do we need it? Cool. You can
Do you have
install
Postman,
Postman.
What?
Do you have Postman, Chloe?
I don't know if I have it on this computer, but we can certainly check right now.
We need to update that. We need to use postman.com. You can just do it on their website now. It's very nice. You just go to postman.com.
Quick recommendation, just feedback, have these tabs be open up in new tab links. These ones.
Oh, okay.
Which I think you can just do with, there's isn't there a markdown thing that you can do for that?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Oh, really?
I can't think of it right.
That's convenient.
Who knows in the chat? I feel it's like on the tip of my tongue. Let's see. Open link in new tab. Link in new tab. Well, it depends on what language you're building it in. But.
I think it's target blank. And then we can just have an
Target equals blank, yes. Perfections in the HTML. Okay, so I want to open up Postman, which I assume is this link.
Yeah, that's to the postman.com.
And I just want to sign in, probably.
Yeah.
Or sign up, maybe. Do I have a Postman account? Hold on. I'm going to check my password manager real quick. It would surprise me if I didn't. Let's see.
Sign in if you don't have an account, it will just automatically convert you to sign up.
Oh, okay, cool.
I know that because I did it like yesterday. I was like, I was trying to make a test account for Postman.
Every time, you guys are too young to know this song, and so am I, but there's a song that's like, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
No, I know that song. Song.
We talked about it.
Okay, good. I want to say it's a 60s, 70s song.
They were playing it at the Postman conference. So I was like, oh my gosh, I love this song.
That's cute. When was that? Virtual?
No, it was like 2 years ago. It was before the Panera.
Oh, yeah. Continue. I don't need a team. Skip the teams. Okay, sorry. I need to share my screen again. 1960s for sure. Yes. I think I know that that's from the 60s because when I did Hairspray, we like auditioned with a dance to that song. Okay, Postman. Okay, I'm in the mainframe, but I need to get
Thank you, Daniel.
into a workspace? No.
No. We can just go into a create new.
This one?
Yeah.
There we go.
And then just skip for now. You do not need the desktop agent. And then just click new, like on the top leftish. Yeah, there. And then request.
Request.
And then just name it something random.
Chloe rules. Okay. And
then just create a collection.
create a collection. Chloe collection. Okay.
You have to click the orange little check mark at the very right.
Save to Chloe collection.
Mm.
Okay. Cool. We're in. Okay, I already forgot what we were doing. Let's go back. Okay. We are here.
No. Yeah, scroll down and it should be there. Step 3, I believe. Yeah.
Okay. What is Postman going to do? After this step, we will code an Azure function that needs testing. We will also use Postman to send a post request to our Azure function to test if it works, mimicking, yes, if folks tuned in to the lecture that, was that the one we did, Emily?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we used Postman
To test beard detection. Okay. Cool. Getting started with Postman. We did all this. Okay. Send a GET request to the cat picture API and receive a cat picture with Bitcamp written on it in a specified color and text size. Okay, so this is our API endpoint. These are our parameters. So we're testing this out with Postman.
Mhm.
This is an already built thing that y'all have done.
No, it's on the internet.
Yeah.
It's on the internet.
I found it on the internet. I was trying to find a cool API.
Okay, so let's see. If I want to do, so let me read the directions better. Send a GET request to the cat picture API and receive a cat picture with Bitcamp written on it in a specified color and text size. Okay, so the endpoint goes here.
Mhm.
And do I need to give it any params? Yes, I do. I need to color and text. I'm looking at the stuck thing. Let's see. Perfection. Click on params and enter color into key and the color you want into value. Enter text into the key role or into key and enter a number. I got you. Okay. So I already forgot what the first one was. Color, right? Yes.
Mhm.
Yep.
So color, and I can pick, can I put pink?
Yeah.
hmm
Okay. And my other one is
Text.
text. And
Let
the
them
font
know.
size between, what was it, to 50? Or is 50 the maximum?
Oh,
No,
it's just
a
an
random
example.
number.
Okay. So then I've got text. What number should I do? Should I make it really big?
Yeah, let's do like 100 and see what happens.
Okay.
No,
Oh, wait, I
you're
think you put it in the wrong.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Okay. Do I need to delete this line now?
Yeah, just
Yeah, you
uncheck
can
it.
just leave it.
Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Do I send it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's see what happens.
I guess I can read the directions. Send to get your cat picture. Okay, send. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What happened? Did anything happen? I don't know.
Maybe there's no pink color or
Let's try a different color. Let's do a basic one, like red. Or do I have to put a hex value?
no.
Wait a
Maybe,
second.
why don't they have
Let me make
pink?
this bigger.
I don't know.
Bitcamp. Let's make it bigger. 500. 500. 700. Oh my gosh, they're all random.
Wait, why
I
is
think
it
you put the max. So maybe like let's try like 60 and see if it works.
Yeah.
60. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh,
This is-
60 is too small.
Okay, maybe we should put a number range in there.
Yeah, good idea. Let me get that.
Let me try 100. Oh my gosh, it's a random cat each time. So, okay, going back to here,
Hmm.
posting APIs and requests. Okay. So we did that. Send to get your cat. To move on, comment your cat picture. Okay. So comment my cat picture.
You can drag and drop it into the
Or we
thing.
can just do copy paste also.
I didn't know that we could do that in here. Okay. Okay. Just like this. Okay.
Mhm. You just paste it. It's magic, and it uploads it to the CDN.
Okay. You guys are teaching me things about it.
You can even click preview, and it'll show you the picture.
What? Okay, Emily, how dare you? I work for Microsoft and I did not know that I could just copy it and it would format it. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful thing.
I use this when I'm like writing curriculum and then I need to put a screenshot. So I just use the snipping tool and then I paste it in here and I use it's already uploaded to the CDN.
Emily, when I tell you I've been typing all this crap out, like you just changed my life with how many blog posts I write in GitHub. Okay, this is incredible. Thank you for that sharing thing. Oh, Chloe Condon, your typing is so good. Is it?
I don't know.
I don't know. The sound? I'm confused. I appreciate it though. Okay, I'm gonna comment it, right?
Yeah.
Or did I already comment it?
No, you didn't. You need to click the big.
I just got so
movie
excited that Emily told me I could just copy and paste an image into GitHub. Okay, now we should have a new issue, right?
Oh no, it already popped up. You just
Oh, it already popped up. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. There's my cat pic. Ah! Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so cool. There's our kitty. Writing.
I found the bug.
What was the bug?
Basically, one of the actions ran before, like it ran in the wrong order, if that makes any sense. Yeah, and then it triggered it when it wasn't supposed to.
But I think we're back on track now. So I think
we're back on track. It was just that one step.
Step 4, writing your first function. This week, you'll be going through the steps to set up tools needed to be successful in this camp. If you're already familiar with some, feel free to skip. So what is Azure? According to Microsoft, we should have an according to Chloe part too. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, we should and then put your picture on it.
Just my little head. Azure is an ever-expanding set of cloud services to help your organization meet your business challenges. It's the freedom to build, manage, and deploy applications on a massive global network using your favorite tools and frameworks. I should memorize that. That is a perfect way to put it. Shout out to Microsoft. If you want to learn more about Azure and all its cloud components, feel free to check out this link, an overview of its capabilities. Here's the link, y'all. Look, it's Azure. Okay, so yeah, I would just, for all of the links, I would just do the target things so that way people don't get
annoyed. I remember how I got annoyed. I had to right click.
How to create an account. Well, I already have one of these. Okay. After signing up for Microsoft, okay, you'll be asked to add a credit card. Okay, let's talk afterwards because I think there's maybe a student thing that we can set up for it we can talk about it after. Okay, if you need some help navigating Azure, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I think we're in good hands. Create and deploy an HTTP trigger Azure function that outputs the current time and date. Example output. Hello, the current time is 17:41:37 p.m. This time, we'll try developing locally. Follow the directions in this link to set up and deploy your first Azure function right in your local machine. Okay.
Wait, Chloe, are you ready for me to blow your mind? If you click command and click the link, it will automatically open in the next link.
Wait, command in the link?
Yeah.
Well,
like if you click any hyperlink with the command key thing, it will open in a new window or a new tab.
Oh, I knew that.
Okay. Do that even if it's target blank. So I just have it habitized,
I see. I just right click on it and then open it. Where's the function URL? Okay, so we need to make a function that outputs. So we need to go into the Azure portal and make a funky function. Okay, and this, you know what? I'll make a note to myself, but I'm gonna for this, let's link to a Learn module. Actually, I'll find that right now and we can share it with the lovely folks on the stream.
Awesome.
If y'all aren't familiar with Microsoft Learn, specifically Microsoft Learn for students, free resources, a bunch of like university courses and stuff that you can do online and expand your tech skills. Let's see if we can find a Azure. Actually, let's go down here. See what others are learning and find Azure functions, because this is a nice little module that they can walk through. So let's open this guy and I'll link this to you, Emily, and I'll link it in the chat as well. But this might be a good kind of run through thing for them because they can play with it without a with a sandbox mode, I should say. I'll put it in the normal chat. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we need to go into the portal, portal.azure.com, and we're going to make an Azure function. I'm going to actually read the directions this time. Okay. We're going to make a function app. And we're just zooming through this, y'all, because three of us make Azure functions all the time. But okay, let's see. Did y'all say to name it anything specific, or it was just
No,
make
it
an
just-
Azure function?
yeah.
You can make it anything.
Yeah, I think I would link to a Learn module over the documentation here just so people can walk through it. Because for us, it's like super easy to make an Azure function, but for the BB developer, it might be helpful to walk through that. Okay, so, and we just want it to output the current time. Oops, I'm in the wrong thing here. Okay, so I'm going to create a new resource group. Let's call this Bit Project Beta. Speaking of beta, I really want to get a beta fish, y'all.
That was like a perfect transition. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm really serious though. I want to get a beta fish, but I'm going on a trip soon. And let's see, Bit Project Beta. Oh my gosh, I don't want to open Slack. Okay. How dare you, Slack? Force quit. Force quit. Okay. Function app name. What should we call it? Time for BitProj?
Yeah.
And we're going to do code. What is our runtime stack for this one? Should we do Node?
You
And
should probably specify that, actually.
yeah, which is why I think linking to the Learn module versus the documentation might be more helpful. Ooh, also, y'all, hold on. Let me finish this, and then I'm going to send another resource that you can link to. And I'm going to create. And while this is waiting, I'm going to share a resource for anybody who's just like, oh my God, what did you guys just do? That was really fast. Oh no, DNS issue impacting multiple Microsoft services. Recovery in progress. Okay, well, it's my work's fault if this doesn't work. But I'll show you all real quick on YouTube, which don't mind all the drag queen tutorial videos that it's about to show you in musical theater. Look at all this. Chloe's interests here, right on one thing. But if you go to my channel, don't watch that. I have a video with Jay, my lovely coworker Jay, and we walk through how to build an app using zero code, but it's all the same logic at the beginning on how to like just get something hosted in Azure. So I'll drop this in the chat here if anybody. That DNS issue was yesterday, I thought. Interesting, franchise. I thought so too. So maybe that's just an old pop-up that's there. This seems to be deploying, so we'll give it a sec. Okay. In the meantime, though, I'm going to look ahead. I'm one of those people who likes to look ahead. Okay, so the current time is, date time is triggering for me, y'all. Like
I have a working function if
thank
you
goodness.
just want the link, I'll just send that over.
There we go. There's this. Okay, I'm getting too ahead of myself here, but let's go back to their deployment is completed.
Yay!
Okay. Now let's go to our funky function, and which should be, what do we name it again?
Time
Bit
for
time for Hold on. I just realized. Let me unshare my screen real quick and then reshare it. There we go. Okay. We need to go to the resource. Well, we need to add the function. That's important. Okay. Sorry, y'all. Multiple screens. Okay. So let's go back here. Sorry, I clicked the back button and I shouldn't have. All right, here we go. We deployed this. Should we go to our resource? There we go. Time for bit project is what we called it. And we want to go to our functions, which we don't have any yet. We need to make a function. And for anybody who's tuning in, you can, of course, do this through the terminal. We're just doing it through the portal for the sake of clarity here. But we're going to add, well, should we be doing this in VS Code? What do you think, Emily? Should we develop the function inside of here or should we do it in the, how do you want your students to do it? Do you want them to use the VS Code Azure Functions integration, or should they be doing it through the portal?
Yeah, we should probably do it through the VS Code integration.
Okay. We should add that in here for the students probably.
Yeah, we have developing locally, follow directions in this link.
Oh, wait, where did it go?
Right.
Where's that?
Right under the hello, the current time. Yep.
This one?
Yeah.
Gotcha. Let me see what this is. Locally. Gotcha. That's what that link was. Okay. I see. So what do you, and you want them to develop locally. I see. Yeah. So I shouldn't have done that in,
I think after you've created one, I believe you can.
Let's see. I can go over here. And this is all in the same repo.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just going to time for bit project. Great. Perfection. And we'll just add a little funky function. It's not a function project. Okay, hold on.
You might need to go into functions.
Functions. I don't think we have any yet.
Oh, maybe not.
Let's see. It's not a function project. Create a new project? Sure, why not? YOLO. Okay. Let's do press 2.
No, I think that's the oh, never mind.
Did that work? Did anything just happen?
We might have to do it again. I think we typed in the name like before the actual name.
Oh, sorry. I see what you mean. I was going too fast. There we go. And then we want the template. We want an HTTP trigger, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then we're going to name it that. Okay. We'll just name it this. Oops. Wait. Function. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. This looks much better. And now we are going to make the function with it was the date time thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And we want to do, how do I make this? Let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay. So now what?
Now we're going to make it output the date and time.
Okay.
Which, honestly, the code is kind of long. Dano, do you think we should?
Yeah, we can just give it to Chloe.
Okay,
Yeah.
sure. Where should I grab it?
Actually, I have like a working function like that we can just use if we want to use that. Like a function URL.
Sure.
Awesome. And that's what you need. If you go to the instructions in the issue, it'll tell you what to do with that. So I'm just gonna paste that in the private chat here. And I just
So we gotta like Food Network this moment. Be like, pretend that we just coded the Azure function.
Yeah.
Wait, this is
Azure
just a
function.
link to. Oh,
private chat.
yeah, but this is a link that brings up the actual.
Yeah. So if you
So if you go to the instructions, it says put the link.
I see. So use.
Right,
I
yeah.
see what you mean. Just use this link.
Yeah,
in
just use
lieu
this link.
of the. Okay. let me actually copy this. Okay. Copying this from StreamYard. And then, okay, so we're putting the function. Is that how we're moving on to the next one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
so place your function URL in a repository.
No.
Wait. Wait, what happened?
No. So to move on, place the function URL in the repo secrets called HTTP endpoint.
Oh, in the repo itself. Okay. So
Yes.
in here, and then let me get this.
Oh, it's in the actual like repository. So
In the actual repository.
yeah. So if you
So,
click
like-
on the there's a little drop down that tells you how to do it.
Wait, in what? What tab? I have too many tabs open.
This one, you're right. You're
Okay,
on the
cool.
right one.
Cool.
Click on how do I add a repository secret?
There we go. On GitHub, navigate to the main page of the repository, and under your repository name, click Settings. Okay. So we want to go to the repository for which repository are we going to?
Your repository.
Your repository.
Gotcha. Okay. So I'm going to go. This is in here?
Yeah, click
Right.
on settings. Do you see the settings?
Settings.
Right, yep, it's right there.
Okay. I'm clicking around too many things. Okay, hold on. I'm going to move this over here. There we go. Okay, so it says on GitHub, navigate to the main page. Under your repository name, click settings. And in the left sidebar, click secrets. Secrets. Okay. Now, do I want to not share my screen while I do this?
Oh no,
I guess-
it's fine because
Okay.
yeah, it's just a function URL link and
I'm going to follow the directions. Okay. Click new repository secret, type a name for your secret, enter the value for your secret, add secret. Okay. Actually, PJ, if you're watching, I think maybe we could have used this earlier on the thing
This
that we
is
were
for
working on.
GitHub Actions only, though.
Oh, for GitHub Actions.
yeah.
Oh no, we have to name this
I have to
something
name it
particular.
something. Okay, I need to name it.
It's above. It's called HTTP secret. It's in the camp thing.
Okay, HTTP endpoint.
Mhm.
And there we go. So then I put the URL in there. Okay.
Mhm.
Ta-da. Add
Perfect.
secret.
hmm And we also need to commit some JavaScript code.
Let's see.
You can
Um,
just commit like a random file with some just commit something to the week one branch.
Okay. So we're all done with this part.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Great.
So
And
basically,
do I need to,
oh, sorry. Go ahead.
I don't need to click save or anything. Okay, cool.
No.
Cool. Okay, add secret. And now we need to commit some code because
Yeah. To the
that
week one branch.
should have been the one that we made in
Correct.
Azure Functions.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So now, how should we resolve this? Should we, sorry, let me get VS Code up here.
Oh, actually, this is perfect. If you can just commit this, and it'll
Yeah,
work.
you can just commit
Commit
that.
this? Okay.
Yeah, go ahead
cool.
and commit that.
Cool. Okay, so, did I just do
No, click.
Well, you have to pull it first.
pull origin?
Mhm.
Because the GitHub bot was committing some stuff there too.
And then I'm gonna be like, what should I comment? What did we just do? We did
Add
the
an Azure function.
function. I'm gonna commit to week one. Yes.
Mhm.
Wait, why isn't it letting me do that? What?
Oh, you have to add a summary.
Oh, required. Doi. Okay. Function. Push origin.
hmm And then
Okay.
you can create a pull request. Honestly, doesn't really affect anything.
Okay.
Um,
Cool.
You
Wait,
can just name it whatever. Yeah, you don't have to put anything in there.
Okay.
I mean, obviously it's best practice too, but
okay,
Okay.
very, very, very awesome.
nice. I like the title.
Emily. Okay. Some checks haven't completed yet.
So
Okay.
you can see, oh,
All checks have passed. This branch is no conflicts.
yeah,
with
and
the
then if you
branch.
want to take a look at what it did, click on show all checks.
Where is
Go
that?
up. Do you see at the
Oh, show all
top right?
checks. Yes.
Click on that. Click on details. I think, Daniel, how do you see the? Oh yeah, there you go. And then go down. Click on. Wait, what did it do? Daniel, I think when you were testing it earlier, that's not like the. Because you have to commit it first before it does the check. Does that make
Commit.
sense, Daniel? Because this is just the check that already ran. Oh wait, never mind. That's right. Wait, is it? It's called update progress. So the thing is that if you want to see the check that just ran, click on actions in your repository.
Oh, you scroll up. If you
Yeah,
scroll
go
up,
up and then click on actions because that was the commit that the bot made. So do you see added at?
Yes.
There you go. Click on that. Don't click. Yeah, there you go. And then
And
click on build.
Build is.
It's down there.
Build.
Yeah, there you
There we
go.
go.
And then click
Got.
on step 4. Do you see step 4? His little check mark. So go down and it says, yay, we got, and then that's the response it got from your function.
So it worked.
Yeah, it worked.
Oh, because we used the one that you already had.
Yeah, the one I already had.
But if we had used a different one, then it'd be like, girl, no.
well, no.
But wait, didn't we? So I guess my quick question: when we did Sup World, the reason that went through is because we were running into a bug, right?
Yeah.
That was
Because
a
that one
bug. Yeah.
skipped. Okay, gotcha. So what am I looking at here? Oh, this is the build for the particular action that we ran.
Mhm.
Yeah,
So-
so it automatically ran a specific because you're on step 4. Do you see it says has a title of step 4?
Yes. Oh, so this is basically how you built the bot, kind of. Interesting. Emily, how did you teach yourself to do this? This is
Google.
Google and Bing. Okay, checking the code, setup. Okay, so we did that. So that means there's a new thingy here for us, right?
Yeah.
Week 1, step 5. Setting up a motion reader function. Create a new HTTP trigger function in your Azure portal along. Ooh, I haven't been checking the chat. Sorry, y'all. Let's see. I think Chloe Condon, when opening a door of her home, she sings "Day da ding." What? How do I pronounce this? Da da ding. I don't know. I'm curious. Okay. We will be using parse multipart and node fetch. Why do we need to use these packages? What are they? Make sure you've created a new function app. Install parse multipart, node fetch. In the left tab, scroll down to console. Okay. So we now need to. I'm wondering, are we going to run into issues now that I don't have that function locally?
Actually, for this step, it's technically not. It's just placing a secret. So we don't really need to complete the task in order for it to.
Don't tell the students that. We mean complete every task.
Yeah, you have to complete every task. For the purposes of this demo, however.
Okay, before Azure Function can run the code, blah, blah, blah. We have to install npm install. Okay, task 5. Make sure you've created a new function app. Install parse multipart node fetch. In the left tab, scroll down to console. Oh, okay, so this is in Azure Functions. Okay. Enter these commands in order. So we just need to put that code into the Azure function that we made, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Right.
I can do that. I mean, do we want to do that while...
Console, yeah.
Okay. I'm just reading through the directions. To move on, place the function URL of your new HTTP trigger as repository secret named function URL, then commit your package.json file to the root directory of week 1 branch. Okay. I'm just retracing my steps here. So what we did right before this is we ran it in Postman, and then we checked our function with the repository secret. Okay. And now we're moving on to a new function. We're making a different function. Correct?
That was like a practice function, your first Azure function, and now we're setting it up for the real project. So
I would put a note at the beginning, maybe that just says something just like that. That just like, now that we've made a real one, or now that we made a test one, let's make a real BB. Okay, so navigate to your function app. So ideally, I think what might be helpful is for anybody who's starting out with Azure for the first time, it may be a little bit confusing knowing when to hop back and forth between the portal and the terminal. I think maybe some screenshots could probably help with that. But I think that would be like the one piece of feedback on that previous one. Because I know when Emily and I did the lecture, that was even confusing for us. The sound you sing after success action. Oh, do I make that sound? Like burr, 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 something like that. Okay, so how far do we want to go in the tutorial today?
Oh, I think this is almost the last one.
Yeah, I think this is the last step. So technically, okay, students, ignore this. Technically, to move on after this step, we do not need to do all the like steps in the issue.
Okay.
So we can just do what it says in the to move on.
Place the function URL. Should I just use the function that we used earlier?
Yeah, you can just put it. Yeah, and then put that as a repository secret named function URL.
Okay. I'm going to take this. And we are going to this. And we're adding a secret here.
Correct. And we can see what it looks like if it doesn't work. If we can try that.
Sure.
So,
function URL.
Yeah, so to see if it what it looks like when it fails, just like maybe spell the secret wrong.
Like the value?
Yeah, the name.
Oh, URL. Okay. That's secret. Okay, and then commit your package.json file to the root directory of the week 1 branch. So I should just commit.
You can just commit like a package.json with like gibberish in it.
Commit through
desktop. Yeah.
You
can go ahead and like add one in like VS Code.
Oh wait, do we need to fetch?
Yeah, go ahead and fetch.
There we go. Pull one commit from the origin remote. Yes. Pull origin. Cool. And then we added the secret with the wrong thingy. Yeah. So in theory, when we wait a second, but didn't we just update this in GitHub?
We haven't pushed anything though. We just pulled.
Right. Okay, because we're pushing to the main. That's right. Okay.
Yeah, we gotta commit a package.json file. Okay, now Dan, you're gonna see the pull request magic that you were looking for earlier. And I'll explain to you why it doesn't work.
I'm gonna say wrong answers only.
Oh, so the problem was that we opened the pull request too early, right?
No, the thing is that the bot, it commits something after you it commits something after you make your commit. So there's always going to be a bot commit if your commit was successful. Right. Oh wait, I think you have to change a file, Chloe.
That's right.
Yeah, so go ahead and add like a package.json file and just like put some random stuff in it.
Okay. Let's see. Where's my life? Okay. There we go. Where were we? Oh, we should just open it here. Okay. So we'll add a file. Hold on. Let me make this a little clearer for folks to be able to see what the heck we're doing here. Okay, time for bitproj, and we'll just add a little file to this. Oops, why did I keep right-clicking on this? Okay, there we go. keep clicking this and it's not. Hold on. Let me unshare and share my screen because I'm on my old computer, y'all. So things are freezing up. Okay. Da, da, da. Sorry. Okay. Wait a second. Why is this? Okay. I'm glad we're almost done because my computer is like not long for this world, y'all. Okay. I'm going to add this. Oh, I need to share my screen again. Here we go. Okay. And bada bing, bada boom. Share. Doing cool stuff again? Always. Always doing cool stuff. We're beta testing some Bit Project stuff. It's pretty fun. Okay, so now I have too many VS Code things open. I'm going to close this. Okay. Find my GitHub desktop. Commit to week 1. Push origin. Okay, so we did the wrong answer. So now that we've pushed, I believe.
I think we can make a pull request.
Okay.
So if you go to the web editor, and then you can go to pull request. Oh, I don't think you ever merged that one.
Oh, I don't think we're supposed to. Are we supposed to?
Oh, actually, you don't have to. Okay, open that up.
Emily.
That beautiful X is there. Oh, that's great.
Yeah, so do you
Okay.
see how there's an X? Ooh, the check failed. So click on view failed,
Because
then I'll tell you why it failed.
it failed because you have not added your function URL as a secret. Well, actually, what we did is we made the thing incorrect. Should we fix it real quick and then submit it again?
Fix it, and then commit something else again, and it'll check again.
Okay, so we want to go
Go
back to our
settings.
settings, and we want to go to our secrets.
I like secrets.
Secrets. And we want to update this. Oh, can we not?
Oh, I guess you have to delete it.
Dang. Okay.
Yeah, sucks.
Wait, is that gonna? Oh, I'll remove
Yeah, that
it.
won't affect anything. You'll just have to type it again.
Function underscore URL. Function underscore URL. And then we want to put this. We want to add the secret. Okay. Okay. So now we'll try that again. And we will. Oh, look at that. It even shows that we have a little X right here, Daniel.
Oh,
so
that's
exciting.
awesome.
So wait, do we want to fetch the origin?
Yeah, we probably, I don't think there's anything to fetch. Yeah, there's nothing to fetch. So
Okay.
now we have to make a change a file. Just change a file, and then you'll be able to make a commit.
I have too many tabs open. Okay. Do not. Don't even think about it. Okay. Made it correct. Commit. Push origin.
Amazing. Now we can go check our pull request.
So in theory, can I just click on view on GitHub?
Yeah, that should open your repository page.
Magic. Okay.
Oh, go to pull requests. Oh, look, there's
right.
a check mark.
Look at that beautiful check. Check, please. Okay.
Yeah, there should be a.
Step 6. Please complete after you viewed week 1 live stream. If you haven't
Oh yeah,
watched
this
it yet,
is all like fluff now.
comment your feedback. I want to comment some feedback. I'm gonna say Chloe ruled. So
Yeah, and the
good.
best part about it is that when you comment your feedback, it goes to actually us, so we can read the feedback and use it to improve our stuff.
Mhm.
Okay, so now I can comment this, or I close with comment.
No, just comment.
Just comment. Okay. Comment. And that's the end of that first
Oh
one.
wait, I think you should comment something else again. There we go. And then that's the blog.
Wait, what?
No,
There was a new thing.
Oh, and this thing.
This is step 7. That's just the blog that summarizes what the live stream covered, and then also links the.
Okay. Live stream. Cool. So that's basically stepping through. Okay, we got to add the VS Code extension, VS Code Pets, obviously. We want the kids to have fun. Oh, this is great. Okay, navigating the Azure portal. And I'll give you all some links for some good resources for navigating. What? It's 4:30. Okay, so basically, you now don't have to go through all of the checks of like making sure all of the pieces. So like when you guys have a couple hundred students doing your program, this is automatically checked through.
Mhm.
Yeah, and
This is
everything
pretty
actually,
magic.
yeah, and everything is instrumented through New Relic, so we can actually see how everyone is doing what step.
Yeah, wait, let me actually share the
Yeah.
dashboard.
Share it. So
Share my
exciting.
screen.
Hello to everybody joining us. We're beta testing, and Chloe's getting confused by GitHub Desktop. Yeah, I guess this is really great, y'all. I really love like the ease of this. I would say the only kind of April Fool's edits. Wow.
That was nice. Yeah, I didn't know what to call it, you know.
I was like, is there an Easter egg joke in here? I got very excited. My only real feedback is just like just a couple, just the links, and then making the headers on. Oh, look, and wait. So it created week. No. I'm in the main, not in my own. I see. I'm clicking the wrong thing here. I want to like click through it again, not on stream right now because we have to go live our lives. But
we have 2 months, so we built. So Emily, with like some of my like PMing skills, built this in like a month. I would say. Emily, does that sound right? Like a month and a half.
Started like in the beginning of February till now.
2 months.
When do you go to school? When do you have the time, Emily? This is wild.
I don't know. It's just on the weekends, and then I sit down, and then I just hack away.
Oh my gosh. I don't even like this. This is beautiful. You've basically like taken an existing product and like contoured it to your own needs, and it's like it's a beautiful thing to see. Also, I love this little counselor bot logo. It's so cute.
You want to share my screen? I have like a New Relic dashboard here.
Gorge.
In the last 24 hours, we have 2 cabin GitHubs that were created, and our new campers, we have Lazy Platypus, which is Daniel, and then we have Chloe, and we have a little nice graph here to show when stuff was created, and then we have some logs here because apparently it crashed, which isn't good. I have to look into that.
Is this New Relic? I've not looked at New Relic before.
This is New Relic, and it's really awesome, and it's pretty easy to integrate into your stuff. Like they have a Heroku plugin that you just install, and it does everything like for you.
Yeah, and then we have links to new cabins. So if I wanted to, we're making custom dashboards for each instructor, so they'll be able to like click on the links. They'll be able to see like runs, what they were running into, what troubles on their repository. Maybe their check didn't pass, like what stuff like that. And we just click on the link. And
so what is the graph on the right tracking?
This one is just how many cabins were created. So you can see Chloe, you created one at this time, and then Daniel created one at this time.
So a cabin is a course?
Yeah, of course. So when you click make template, yeah.
Gotcha. Okay, so we've got how many cabins were created, the links to the new cabin. Oh, so those are the repos that each person made. Mm-hmm. And then the logs, is that any log like it's
it's any filtered. Log. It's filtered out. So it only shows crashed logs.
I see what you mean. So when we ran into that issue with step 4 or step 3 or whatever it was,
Mhm.
you were able to see those logs on your end. That's what Daniel was talking about.
Yeah, and I can also see query through data. So this is Chloe, this is you. I can see what you did, what step you were on, and then the link to the action. So the check that was checking your code, your repo name, the yeah.
Emily, you're being a developer advocate for New Relic. You're
It's
doing
so
my job for
true.
me. Oh my
I
god.
don't even work there.
She doesn't even go here. Okay. Wait, I've never seen I've talked about New Relic before, but I've actually never seen it in action. This is very cool. So basically you can build a bunch of like custom views that you want to
Mhm.
see for what's going on. So like once you get like 200 people going through the course, you're not only going to be able to track like who has made a new repo for it, but also exactly what issues they ran into. This is you've
Also, you
like
Yeah.
you've
Yeah, and also
automated
you can,
this.
like link a lot of like different like parts of your app together. So you can be like, okay, so let me look at the logs when this crash happened. So you can go through the logs, and New Relic helps you visualize your data and kind of connect all the dots, because trust me, logs are a nightmare to deal with, especially
Yeah.
if you're doing hundreds of thousands of logs per minute. This kind of helps you figure out what is really going on right now and what you should be focused on.
This is very cool. Reminds me of my days at Sentry, but a little bit of different tracking going on there. Cool. So how many folks do you plan on having in the next cohort, y'all?
Yeah, so we're having around 40 students that are going to be participating with us this time. And they're all going to be building some awesome functions as their functions projects. So I'm super excited.
Are you doing the other cohorts with this new format as well?
So the reason that we're only doing serverless for the summer is because we really want to perfect this
Yeah.
this platform. And then we're going to actually roll it out to general availability to other developer advocates like Chloe and me. So we all can create content like this and like see exactly what's going on with our students and people. That wanna-
Emily, how dare you be such a talented engineer and not even be graduated from high school yet? The audacity of Emily.
Audacity.
Yeah, spy on Chloe Condon when I'm walking through these ones again. Is that did you fix that bug already? Because I'll walk through it this weekend and then you'll get a nice little pop-up from me.
Yeah,
that's
I'm
like,
about to commit the fix right now.
okay, tell me when you do it later. I'm gonna do it probably this weekend. I'll play through
You
it.
know
This
what?
is really
watch
cool.
me commit it right now. So
Brave.
literally what I had to do was add this thing.
Oh wait, we can't see it.
Oh, that's right. I'm sharing. Let me try again. Share screen. All right. Let me.
I really hope. Do you even have a LinkedIn right now, Emily? You're a youth.
Oh, I do.
You better put this on your LinkedIn. This is an amazing project, and
We're
I
giving
think-
a talk about it actually at Future Stack. We're going to talk
oh
about
my gosh! Wait,
Together.
let's promote. Drop a link in the private chat, and I'll put it in the
Oh,
main chat
sure.
for Future Stack. We got to promote
Yeah.
that.
We're also going to Animal Crossing talk.
You are? Wait, you're giving one or what?
we're
Oh,
going
we're
to
giving
Deserted
it
Island DevOps.
Wait, what?
Oh, we're going to Deserted Island DevOps.
Oh, I may know the person keynoting that event.
Austin?
Anyway, no
Oh, wait.
spoilers.
The link is there.
Oh, the link. Okay, let me grab the link.
Y'all should join us at Future Stack. Me and Emily are going to be giving an amazing talk about how you can use New Relic in your apps with like 5 minutes of your time. It's very great. And it's also very free.
Amazing. I'm very excited. Wait, when is that? What's the date on that?
It's May 25th.
May 25th. Ah, this is all it's all coming back to me. It's Celine Dion. Ooh,
I
I'm gonna-
love Celine, okay? Celine is, I love, it's all coming back to me. I love Titanic.
a
the
quick
water and
plug
flame.
for Future Stack, which you said is free, Daniel?
Yeah, it's free. And
Oh.
you can actually see me on the website. If you go to the agenda, there's a picture of me.
Oh my gosh. I feel
Uh,
like
I'm on it too.
a proud mom. Wait, where do I
there's a
go?
full agenda for Wednesday. I'm on Wednesday. And I believe, Emily, you're on there too.
right?
won't
Yeah.
click.
I am on there too.
Why can't I click
It's
it?
a-
Wow,
Oh.
that,
Is there a bug?
Hold on. Can I click the other days?
I think you can scroll down. I think it's there. Is it not? Wow.
Wait,
I
someone else
should
try it. Is it me?
I should really figure out what's
It's
going on.
is this an image? I think that's an
It's
image.
an image, yeah.
Wait, what? It's an image. What? What
Wait,
is
how did you see it then?
No, it says for more information, visit
Oh.
the Stack website.
What?
Because that's at a glance. That's confusing. Tell Jonan.
Oh, dude, that is a huge problem.
Wait,
Let me-
that's confusing. Why?
That is so confusing.
Agenda. Maybe if you go to agenda up here,
Mhm.
this is at a glance. Oh,
no.
here we go.
agenda.
What the? Okay, weird. Okay, let's find.
I'm on the very bottom, I think, or almost at the very bottom.
I should be there too.
Yeah.
Is this your
Is it
first
not?
talk that you're giving, Emily?
Yeah, it is. I mean, excluding the live
Hey,
stream.
Emily, you
on
went
Twitch.
away. I need to talk to Tori about it. Wow, she was there yesterday.
I
but-
was there yesterday and I'm gone.
Wow, this is Emily finding out that she's been fired from the talk. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah.
I think Chloe Condon ate a music box. I think that's canon. I think that is true. Wait, I want to click on this. Debugging wizardry with New Relic equips all developers. Blah, 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 blah. Emily, look, Emily's name is here.
Yeah.
Okay, Emily, we're gonna get you in here. What's happening? Wait, what happens if I click on your name, Daniel?
I think there's a page that pops up.
Wait, what if I type in Emily's name into this URL?
Ooh,
Wait, would it
says
just be
after this.
Emily dash
10?
Chen.
Jen?
Yep.
You don't
Yeah, the Udacity.
exist. The Udacity.
Scandalous.
Wow.
It was there yesterday. I promise. I literally sent
Yeah,
her-
we have proof. We have screenshots.
Daniel, as your mentor, I am going to force. Are you vaccinated yet? You're getting vaccinated soon.
I got
That's
my
correct.
vaccine yesterday. I am vaccinated.
You're vaccinated. Which one did you get? You got J&J?
J&J.
Yeah, baby. J&J over here too. As your mentor and friend, I am J&J vaccinated. I'm going to socially distance take a headshot for you, Daniel. We cannot allow this to be your headshot. We're gonna get profesh. Okay.
That's what I told my friends too. I was like, I'm a professional now. I probably need a headshot.
What is this image, Daniel? Where did this come from?
I like the background.
I was practicing my Photoshop skills, and then I was like, I guess I'll use this.
Did they
Oh,
put
Jemiah's
backgrounds
like-
on other people? Oh no, you
No.
added the background.
I added it.
Daniel, no. As your agent, I cannot allow this. Honestly,
Oh, I'm getting roasted.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're going to take your headshot. Well, I have a high resolution camera we can do, but we could also just screenshot. It's gonna be a stream. We're gonna make it happen. It'll be great. We'll live stream Daniel's headshots, and
Honestly, I'm down with like some PJ. Like,
I mean, as someone who, let's see, let me find Chloe Condon. As someone who's gone through many hairstyles, I am updating my headshot all the time. Here's the many headshots of Chloe. We've got. Oh,
that's my favorite one. I think.
wait, did my computer just perish? Oh my god.
We can still see your
Oh my gosh!
never mind.
Chloe actually perished. I am so sorry about that, Emily. I will get that figured out.
No, it's okay. Also, why did I just turn black and white?
Chloe sent
Nice.
us the link, but it's literally an image.
Okay, so explaining the check situation, so it works. Like you can see, it'll display a check mark if it worked. The only difference is that when you click on view details, it won't show the specific.
My headshot was so
Listen.
high res, Daniel, that it kicked me out. That's how professional my headshot was.
Powerful.
Anyway, enough about headshots. This was great, y'all. I'm so excited to have all the students at Chloe LOL. Yeah, I don't know what it was so weird. Everything on my computer shut down as soon as I opened that headshot. It was a very weird phenomenon. Now I've just like declared tab bankruptcy. Like I have no tabs open now. I'm glad that happened when I was showing the headshot and not walking through the what do we call this? It's a, what do you name this, Emily? It's like a learning
Okay, so it's
thing.
like camping themed, right? So
It's camping themed, but like, do we call this like this is
what is the application like? Are you like, what is the app name?
yeah? What should we name it?
I think Counselor Bot is pretty cute.
Counselor Bot's cute. We love Counselor Bot. We got to make sure how a PC crashes like that. I'm on a Mac, so no shade to Microsoft. I'm legitimately on a Mac right now. Video card strike. Yeah, I guess so. First of all, like, I wish I had a sound effect. Round of applause to Emily for building this awesome tool. I want to make sure that this is plastered all over your portfolio and your LinkedIn, Emily, because this is a very, very impressive. As someone who mentors adult humans who are like well into their 30s learning how to code, like, what you have built is a very intricate use of GitHub Actions, and I love it. We need to introduce you to B. Dougie, who's
Exactly.
our GitHub Actions king. So maybe when Brian and we've been wanting to stream, I think we got to bring Emily along. I think Emily is going to become a streamer here pretty soon.
Yeah.
Emily, where can people find stuff about you on the interwebs? Or you're a teen. We don't want people finding you on the interwebs. I don't know where they can find you on Twitter and LinkedIn.
Emily is going to be like leading the effort for the new Bitcamp cohort. So if you're interested, you can sign up at apply.bitproject.org.
Ooh, let me put a banner across. Okay, apply. Wait, apply dot? Or
apply.bitproject.com. I mean .org, right, Daniel?
Yeah.
.edu.gov. Okay. Let me add my banner here. Yeah, if you want to learn how to do the awesome stuff, well, not the awesome stuff we did. We were just walking through the tool. But if you want to learn like all the things that we went through, so let's see, what was covered in this one? We had how to GitHub, which I know some folks who can use that, and I'll be sharing that. We also made an Azure function. We used Postman. We did a lot of things. We like touched a lot of stuff. We basically did, now that I'm thinking of it, that was week one. Mm-hmm. Interesting. And also, if you want to follow along with the cohort, I know we get a lot of special guests who help with those streams. A lot of them are very quirky and have orange hair. Yeah, some of them are named Emily and are high school students. Y'all, here's the thing. I'm 31 years old. We've got this fresh out of college grad right here who's like a freaking pro. We've got this high school student. My imposter syndrome's out of control. My Adderall has kicked in. So that's good. But I'm in awe of both of you because how old are you, Daniel? You're like, what, 4, 5?
Like our job as developer advocates is to boost up people like Emily or other people who are trying to get into tech or are like newbies to try to amplify their voices, because I feel like there's so much undiscovered talent out there, and it's our jobs as vocal members of the community to like find those people, help them out, amplify their voices so they can be our bosses one day. Emily's gonna be my boss, and I am totally
I didn't know how to make a post request to an API before Bitcamp.
I mean, that's why you went to Bitcamp, though. Yeah. So like now you know it. And also I'm on a new team. It's called Star Trek Next Generation Experiences team, where I get to work with a lot of amazing like Microsoft student ambassadors, self-taught folks, high school students, Imagine Cut people. And I kid you not, I'm 31 years old. I started coding when I was 25, 26. And it is incredible to me to see what y'all have done at 21 and you're probably not even over 18, Emily. We're not even going to share your age on the show, but we need to get Emily's parental permission to have her on the show. But I think that it is so amazing and incredible to see what y'all are doing now. I can't even imagine what you're going to be building when you're 31. You're going to be like in a Tesla on the moon, like coding my food that I'm going to have lab grown that evening. Like I'm fully convinced that both of you you're already changing the world. Any parting thoughts before we wrap up this stream? This was really fun.
My
Yeah.
parting thought is I'm trying to install VS Code Pets because
Oh my gosh, yes. Let me see if I can open up.
so
I
I've
need to-
installed the extension. I just don't know where to run the command.
Okay, let's see. VS Code Pets.
Oh, I have it. I can help you afterwards. I can help you install it. I have VS Code Pets.
What does it do? Tell us what VS Code. Oh, here, I got another one I can share. Hopefully this doesn't break the computer again. I love this comment here. I'm 49 and learning so much from y'all. Yeah, these kids, they're so smart. I believe the children are our future. Look at this little kitty cat. VS Code Pets is now live on Code Marketplace. This is literally all it does. It just has a
literally
cute little
hangs out there.
pet.
It's very nice.
Oh, I'm going to download this now and get a Clippy on a skateboard. I think that's my favorite character on here. I'll drop a link to VS Code Pets in the chat. Oh my gosh, look, there's a little snake too. What is that, a pig?
Ooh.
Dog. That's a dog. It's a pig dog? Ooh, before we go, totally unrelated to Bit Project, but on most streams, Daniel and I end up talking about 90 Day Fiancé. Unrelated to 90 Day Fiancé, there's a new show called Pig Royalty that I'm very much looking forward to binging this weekend about pig. It's like Toddlers and Tiaras meets pig raising. I know. Very exciting weekend planned.
That sounds amazing. Do you have Discovery Plus?
Oh, do I have Discovery Plus? I've been watching Seeking Sister Wives. I need Discovery Plus. We are not sponsored by Discovery Plus. I'm so excited to configure my pet. Oh, look, you can choose either pet type or fur color. Oh my gosh, this is
That's
so
awesome.
cute. Snake can only be green, rubber duck can only be yellow, and the pets will interact with you. Look at this little kitty. You can throw a ball, play catch with your pet, adding extra pets, run the spawn additional pet command, and select the pet type and color. Extra pets will not persist between closing restart of VS Code. This is adorable. Also, if you're not following Mark on Twitter, definitely follow him. He's always tweeting out really cute 8-bit images, and he's been doing some cute I bought a t-shirt. I should have worn it today. I had a little Clippy t-shirt that I bought from him that benefited girls who could. All right. Our parting thoughts. VS Code Pets. Go download it. Anything else? Anything else we should say? Apply to Bit Project. When does the new cohort start? May?
No, it's in June.
June.
I think the exact date is TBD, but it should be the middle of June.
Okay. I don't even know if I'll be alive then. Like I'm going day by day, Daniel. But I think that's all for today, y'all. We did almost like 2 hours of this. This has been really fun, and I think we should do it again. Like we'll hop into it before the cohort goes live, and then we can demo to even more people what they can expect and sign up for. But can people go and just do this right now? Like if they just want to do it solo?
Yeah, and then please comment feedback because we need to know what went wrong.
Can you drop those links again one more time? Because my StreamYard took them out of the chat for me. But you just need to do 2 things to walk through this yourself and leave all the comments for Emily. Let's see.
Oh, and also we're adding some really cool functionality. Like we're integrating an end-to-end testing framework within our bot. So we can simulate clicks in an HTML page. So actually the bot will actually try to actually visit your website, click on buttons to make sure that it outputs the right information.
Dang.
So look out for some awesome features that are coming up.
So awesome.
That's
amazing.
Week 4.
We love to see it. Okay, I'm going to apply to Bit Project, y'all. We're going to end this broadcast for now. Mama's going to go on a walk, but my little babies, I love you both. This is incredible. I'm so excited to play. Oh, I'll do am I doing it right, Daniel?
Yeah, you're doing it right.
My knuckles face you when I do it, right?
Yeah.
See, I have a cute tattoo, so I want to do it this way, but I'll just have to get a tattoo on this side.
I'll take a little screenshot because it's cute. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool.
I didn't know what this was until I started following Korean Dad. I thought this meant like I am this close to hitting you. That's what I thought. Just like this close. But it's the opposite. It's I love you. Ooh, selenium for that, someone is asking.
Oh no, we're not using Selenium. We chose Cypress instead because
That's
we
pretty easy to use.
wait, sorry, what?
I just said it's pretty easy to use.
Yeah, it's a lot easier to integrate with GitHub Actions.
I'm really serious. I think that we need to do a stream with B. Dougie, Emily, and show him this awesome thing that you made. Maybe all of us can just hop on there with him. It'll be a big party. Yeah. All right, friends, we're going to end this broadcast. Thank you so much for joining us. I was going to say this is my fourth and final stream for today, but who am I kidding? I haven't played Animal Crossing today, so I'll probably stream some Animal Crossing in a little bit. Come play. Love you all. How do we end? We should be like...
Clippy.
Clippy!
Bye, Clippy.